Hello, Becky. All right, my review for the cheap spiraler. I like it. I like it. What you do is you take a piece of zucchini or carrot or whatever you have, and you put it on the little probes there. And then you kind of guide it over this. And you just kind of turn it. It's cheap, but it does what it's supposed to. Oh, you know what? I like the 1 and 2 together. That and that. Yep. See, that's one size, but I like the little teeny noodles. So there's 3 or 4 different noodles you can choose from. But you know what? This does its job. I mean, I don't need anything too, confusing or expensive. I just want some zucchini noodles. See all these little things? Yeah, so it works out really good. I'm impressed with it. You know, for less than $9, I think it's a good deal. And yeah, works out great. Okay. Woo! I got a bowl full of zucchini noodles. So, and then at the end, you have a nice little yumminess to eat. And you have a little disc left. You cut it up, put it in salad. I like it. So, a little bit left over, but right. Oh, my spaghetti sauce is boiling. No, it works. Look at all that. Whoop. Look at all that. I'm gonna have some good zucchini noodles tonight on my spaghetti. Okay, bye. My new experiment. Some delicious fettuccine Alfredo. I made it with zucchini noodles, but then I also added just a few egg noodles also. So or a little bit of pasta because I need a little bit of goodness. But all right, so there's something special about this delicious creamy fettuccine Alfredo. You usually do a cream sauce, but I'm doing things healthy now, believe it or not. And the base of this actually is just a few ingredients. Can you guess what the cream sauce is made out of? No, you probably can't. I won't even let you guess because you won't figure it out. Well, unless Becky. I told her about it already. But in a blender, I just put in, believe it or not, a little bit of cream cheese and just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And you blend those together with some garlic, a few teaspoons of garlic. I like lots of garlic. And it turns out into this delicious creamy sauce. And then I made these zucchini noodles. You just put that sauce, it's all nice and creamy, into a pan. And, like a skillet. And then you throw in your zucchini. And if you want to add extra, pasta, like I did, I can't go totally die hard, cold turkey. I have to have a few little noodles, but mostly zucchini noodles because I put 2 big zucchinis in here. Of course, I've been eating it. So anyway, you just put it in the pan just to heat it up just a little bit. You don't want to heat it too fast. You want to heat it on like a medium to a low because you don't want the cottage cheese to curdle because, that would be no fun. But see, all the delicious creaminess. And then, of course, I sprinkled a little more Parmesan cheese on top and some black pepper. So this is delightful, very satisfying, and it tastes like a fettuccine sauce you make with lots of cream and butter, but it's made with cottage cheese. I'm learning that cottage cheese, it works really good in so many different things. I made these delicious, cottage cheese pancakes that were delightful. And the cottage cheese is just, there's so much versatility with it. And you don't taste like, I don't know, the cottage cheesiness of it, because it turns out into a creamy, creamy sauce. So I am very happy with it. It'll help me lose more weight. So the scale goes down. But anyway, I just wanted to let you guys see this. It's a go, and I will be eating it a lot. I will be eating it a lot. And I love my my zucchini noodles. I gotten a new machine, well, handheld thing, to make these zucchini noodles just a little bit more, you know, cream or curly or whatever. But anyway, that's what I've made, and it's delightful. If anybody wants a recipe, you just let me know. I can just text it to you.